Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva designs on your phone. First, download the free Canva app from your device's app store. Once installed, either create a new account or log in using your existing details. The home screen offers thousands of templates and design ideas, making it easy to start your creative journey. You'll find everything from social media posts to presentations, all accessible with a few taps. After logging in, select a template that suits your project. Canva offers over 250,000 free templates, covering almost every design need. Simply tap on any element, like text or an image, to customize it. You can change fonts, colors, and even replace photos with your own. Resizing and moving elements is intuitive, requiring just a few finger gestures on your screen. To enhance your design, explore Canva's extensive library of elements. You'll find millions of free and premium photos, videos, and graphics to add. Easily apply filters, adjust brightness, or crop images right within the app. You can also add text boxes, various shapes, and fun stickers to make your design truly unique and engaging. There are over 100 different font styles available. Once your masterpiece is complete, saving and sharing is straightforward. You can save your design in multiple formats, including high-quality JPG, transparent PNG, or even a multi-page PDF. Share your creation directly to popular social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, or send it through messaging apps. All your designs are automatically saved to your account, accessible across all your devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.